The aviation industry has always been a dynamic and evolving field, with constant technological advancements and innovation shaping its trajectory. In the midst of this ever-changing landscape, one aircraft model has managed to hold its own for over 6 decades: the Cessna 172. This single-engine, 4-seat aircraft has not only been a beloved choice for aviation enthusiasts and flight schools, but has also inadvertently played a significant role in influencing the entire aviation industry. In this article, we will explore how the Cessna 172 has impacted the aviation world, both positively and negatively, and its implications for other plane makers and models. The Cessna 172, introduced in 1956, has become the quintessential general aviation aircraft, earning the moniker Skyhawk. With its iconic high-wing design, reliable Lycoming engine, and simple avionics, it has found favor with countless pilots and aviation schools worldwide. Its affordability, ease of maintenance, and robust performance have made it an enduring choice for training, personal flying, and even certain commercial applications. One of the most significant contributions of the Cessna 172 to the aviation industry is its unrivaled status as a training aircraft. Flight schools, both large and small, have relied on the C-172 as the cornerstone of their training fleet. Its docile handling characteristics, predictable performance, and excellent safety record make it the ideal choice for instructing aspiring aviators. This popularity in training has led to an extensive network of Cessna 172s across the world, further solidifying its position in the industry. However, this dominance in training has a ripple effect. Other aircraft manufacturers often struggle to compete with Cessna's established market share. While some try to introduce their own training aircraft, few manage to match the C-172's combination of affordability and reliability. The Cessna 172's enduring appeal has not gone unnoticed by other plane makers. Many competing manufacturers have tried to emulate its success by producing similar aircraft models. However, this has often resulted in fierce competition and challenges in differentiating themselves from the C-172. One such example is the Piper PA-28 series, including the popular Piper Cherokee. While Piper has managed to carve out its own niche in the general aviation market, it has struggled to surpass the C-172 in terms of sales and recognition. Despite its merits, the Piper Cherokee has always lived in the shadow of the Cessna 172. The Cessna 172's long-lasting popularity has inadvertently hindered innovation in the general aviation sector. While technological advancements have occurred in avionics, safety features, and materials, the core design principles of the C-172 have remained largely unchanged. Pilots and flight schools often prefer to stick with the familiar, reliable Cessna 172 rather than embracing new and potentially superior innovations from other manufacturers. This stagnation in design has affected the profitability and marketability of newer aircraft models. Manufacturers, hesitant to deviate from the Cessna 172's winning formula, have struggled to attract buyers to their innovative, albeit unfamiliar, aircraft. The Cessna 172's enduring appeal presents numerous challenges to other plane makers, which extend beyond the training aircraft market. One of the primary challenges faced by competing plane makers is the saturation of the Cessna 172 in the used aircraft market. With thousands of C-172s in operation worldwide, buyers looking for affordable, reliable aircraft often opt for used Cessna 172s rather than exploring other options. This saturation limits the potential market share for competing manufacturers. The Cessna 172's affordability has forced other plane makers to offer their aircraft at competitive price points. While this can be beneficial for buyers, it puts pressure on manufacturers' profit margin. To match the C-172's pricing, competing models often compromise on features or quality, which can ultimately harm their reputation. The Cessna 172's exemplary safety record has created a perception among buyers that other aircraft may be less safe. This perception can be challenging to overcome, even if competing models offer advanced safety features and technology. Overcoming the psychological barrier of safety perception is a considerable hurdle for other plane makers. While the Cessna 172's influence is most pronounced in the general aviation and training sectors, it has also indirectly affected the market for other plane models. Manufacturers of larger, more complex aircraft have also faced challenges due to the Cessna 172's influence. The aviation industry as a whole has been somewhat reluctant to innovate, as the enduring popularity of the C-172 has underscored the value of familiarity and reliability over groundbreaking technological advancement. The Cessna 172's dominance has caused some aircraft manufacturers to shift their focus away from producing smaller, single-engine aircraft to larger, more lucrative markets, such as commercial airliners or business jets. This shift in focus can limit the availability of innovative aircraft models in the general aviation sector. The aviation industry is highly competitive, and resources are finite. Manufacturers, airlines, and aviation companies must prioritize their investments carefully. The continued success of the Cessna 172 can sometimes divert resources away from the development of new, innovative aircraft models. While the Cessna 172's impact on the aviation industry has presented challenges, it has also brought about several positive aspects. The C-172's affordability and ubiquity have made it accessible to a broader range of individuals interested in aviation. This inclusivity has contributed to the growth of the aviation community, fostering a diverse and passionate group of aviators. The Cessna 172's exemplary safety record has set a high standard for safety in the general aviation industry. This focus on safety has led to advancements in avionics, training programs, and safety features in other aircraft models, benefiting the entire industry. The enduring popularity of the Cessna 172 has resulted in strong resale values for owners looking to upgrade or sell their aircraft. This financial benefit can be an incentive for individuals to enter the aviation market and invest in more expensive aircraft in the future. The Cessna 172 has not shied away from integrating modern technology into its design. Over the years, avionics systems have evolved significantly. The traditional steam gauges of older C-172 models have been replaced with advanced glass cockpit displays, making navigation, communication, and situational awareness more efficient and safer. This push for modern avionics has set a standard for other aircraft manufacturers to follow. With growing concerns about environmental sustainability, the aviation industry is under increasing pressure to reduce emissions and adopt greener technology. The Cessna 172 has not been immune to this trend, with some models now offering fuel-efficient engines and the possibility of electric or hybrid propulsion system. By embracing sustainability, the C-172 showcases a commitment to staying relevant in a rapidly changing world. The Cessna 172's commitment to safety has led to the incorporation of numerous safety features over the years. These include improved airframe design, better crashworthiness, and enhanced emergency system. The pursuit of safety innovations has not only benefited Cessna 172 users, but has also set a benchmark for other manufacturers to prioritize safety in their aircraft design. The Cessna 172 has demonstrated remarkable adaptability to market demand. Manufacturers have introduced specialized versions, such as float planes for water landing and bush planes for rough terrain. This flexibility to cater to diverse aviation needs has helped maintain the C-172's relevance in various niches, from recreational flying to remote operation. In recent years, the Cessna 172 has embraced training technology, incorporating systems that provide enhanced training experiences. Simulators, advanced flight training programs, and data analytics are now being integrated into C-172 training fleet, ensuring that the aircraft remains at the forefront of pilot education and contributing to the industry's overall competence and proficiency. As the Cessna 172 continues to adapt to technological advancement, other plane makers have been compelled to compete not only in terms of performance, but also in incorporating cutting-edge technology into their own aircraft. This competitive drive for innovation is pushing the industry forward and providing consumers with a wider range of advanced options. While competing with the Cessna 172 remains challenging, some manufacturers have successfully differentiated their aircraft by focusing on specific niches. For instance, Diamond Aircraft has garnered attention with its sleek composite airframes and advanced avionics, appealing to buyers looking for a more modern alternative. The Cessna 172's long-standing influence on the aviation industry is undeniable. While its dominance in the training aircraft market has presented challenges to other plane makers and models, it has also had positive effects on accessibility, safety standards, and resale value. As the aviation industry continues to evolve, it is essential for manufacturers and stakeholders to strike a balance between preserving the Cessna 172's legacy and fostering innovation in the sector. Thank you for sticking with me all the way to the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure the notification bell is turned on so you don't miss a video.